Hello everyone, my name is Shourav and welcome to my 31st video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about some more attributes of properties of form elements. So let's begin. First we will discuss about the disabled attribute. The disabled attribute specifies whether the input field will stay disabled or you can type in it. Okay. First let's make a form field. Okay. I am just first writing it, then I will explain what I am doing. Now, so far we have written form field input type text, name equal to first name and value equal to John. Now here we will just simply write disabled, okay, then close the input text field. Now if you save it and check in our browser, you will see that you can take your mouse over it, but you can't type on it. Nothing will happen. This is just because of this disabled attribute that we added here. Similarly, if we add one more field here, say we add the last name here, okay, keep the value here blank and just simply remove the disabled attribute here. Now let's save it and check in our browser. We should be giving some breaks here. Okay, we have just given some break here. Now let's refresh the browser. You can see here you can type normally here, no problem. Okay, you will come across in some form fields where you see this, that one field is disabled and one field you can type. So that is the utility of disabled attribute in forms. Okay. Next we will discuss about the required attribute. The required attribute specifies that an input field must be filled out before submitting the form. It can't be left blank. So how the required attribute is written? To type a required attribute, we have taken an input field here. Let's refresh the browser. You can see here simply input field here. Now if we type here and simply type submit, nothing will happen. Okay, but if we add a text here, simply we type required here, then you can't click submit. Whenever you try to click submit, an error message will appear. You can see here the error shows please fill out this field, but if you type something, you click, nothing will show here. So required attribute is generally used whenever you need the user to input something in the text field. You can't leave that blank. In that place you need to add this required attribute. Okay. Now suppose you need to make a form where you need users to enter only 3 letters of a country in the input field. Okay, anything else if the user enters, it will show an error. Okay, so to do that, let's first make a form input. First we define the label here, then we write the input type text, then here in the name we write country code, and the new field which we will be learning here is the pattern. This will block the users from entering unwanted inputs. So within double quote, we will write first the third bracket, then write capital A, then give a dash, then write capital Z, and then write small a, then give a dash, then write small z, then close the third bracket. Then within second bracket, within curly braces, we just write 3. I will explain it, then close it. Okay, so here what will happen, you can write alphabets from capital A to capital Z, and here small a to small z. Okay, so now we will write the title here. The title will be 3-letter country code. Okay, now close it, and now we will write input type equal to submit. Now we save it. Now check in our browser. You can see here, if we write here anything, it will show an error. Please match the requested format of the country code. First, we have added more than 3 letters alphabets here. So let's write AUS, Australia. Now if you submit, it will not show any error since the 3 letters. Now if we write here Australia, okay, now if we submit, then also it will show error because it only allows to input 3 alphabets of the country. USA, it will have no problem, but if we write U.S.A, it will show problem because it is more than 3 letters. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.